Of course, this is a visual of how the train hit the other from behind. We have a breaking news also coming in, viewers, at this point of time. Unfortunate news, as I was telling you earlier, 5 casualties already been confirmed. That's the big confirmation coming in from the side of the Bengal police. Goods train hitting the Kanchenjunga Express, and very tragic news coming in early morning that 5 people have lost their lives. Adrija is live with us on the broadcast. Adrija, over to you. What is it that the police is confirming when we speak of the casualties?
Well, you see, as the rescue operation is still on, and the police have now come out and have mentioned that, there's 5 people have lost their lives. So the casualty now is 5. So the death toll is 5, and it is expected to, rise even higher as and when the rescue operation proceeds. And also at the same time, the weather in the northern part of West Bengal has been not very good in the past couple of days. It has been severely raining, and also, a very poor visibility. So, of course, that is also creating a hindrance in the entire process of rescue operation that is taking place. So, of course, all of these is turning out to be a challenge, but at the same time, from what we are getting to know, that in this entire incident, unfortunate incident that has taken place, several people has been injured. Medical assistance are being given to them. Medical team has also reached the spot, and ambulances have also reached the spot. The disaster management team has reached the spot, who are carrying out the rescue operation. The district administration, the railway administration from the New Jalpaiguri station, from where the train had left and was en route towards Shialda, the administration have reached the spot, and at the same time, help desks have also been set up in several railway stations, including the Shialda railway station, where to give proper assistance to the families whose relatives were traveling on that particular train that has met with this unfortunate accident this morning. And at the same time, helpline numbers has also been released to ensure that the proper assistance be given to even the family, proper guidance be given to the family, and whatever help is required is also given. So of course, the rescue operation continues. Several people injured. They are being given medical assistance. Ambulance is also present at the spot currently.
All right, and 5 deaths confirmed. That's the unfortunate news coming in, viewers. We are also, of course, flashing that helpline number at the bottom of your screens, talking about that accident. Adrija, if I could come back to you, ambulance is already at the site. You said that Mamata Banerjee has taken stock of the situation. We also read out what Ashwini Vaishnav had to say on social media. Again, take us through really what's happening when we speak of the rescue and relief operations. Which are the teams which have been pressed into action, and what's really happening on the ground at the moment?
Well, you see, first of all, the North Bengal police have reached the location because the incident have taken place in Darjeeling district. The district magistrate have reached, the administration, the railway administration, the RM of railway from New Jalpaiguri station have reached. Also, the police have reached, and along with all of this, the disaster management team has also reached the location, and all of them together are conducting this entire rescue operation. Initially, also the locals of that particular area were also, conducting the helping into the entire rescue operation that was taking place. And at the same time,
right. Adrija, apologies, I have to interrupt you there. I'll come back to you. We have a police official's bite and a reaction rather coming in. Let's listen in.
गंभीर है ये, आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटलिटी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5, अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आ गया है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए हैं, ठीक है।
डेथ कैजुअलिटी कितनी हुई है?
अभी तक जो हिसाब है 5 हुआ है, ठीक है।
और कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है?
5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक, ठीक है।
कितने इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजुरीज आर नॉट फैटल। We have already rescued them with their luggages এবং এখানে हम लोग लोकल का एम्बुलेंस भी हम लोग अरेंज कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। वो जो पैसेंजर्स हैं हम लोग उन लोग को बाहर निकाल के एक यहाँ पे एक मदरसा में कैंप भी सेटअप किया है, वहाँ पे लेके जा रहे हैं और वहाँ से फिर आगे बास लेके एनजीपी तक लेके जा रहे हैं।
कैसे हुआ था सर? इंसिडेंट कैसे हुआ था?
इंसिडेंट पीछे से मालगाड़ी आके ये कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है, मालदा कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, इसको पीछे से कॉलिशन हो गया, ठीक है।
उसके बाद ये इंसिडेंट हुआ।
या
सर आपका
मैं दार्जिलिंग।
और आपका नाम सर?
अभिषेक।